What is this? We are going to
Ragihalli.
Ragihalli.
RD Resorts.
RD's Nature Resort.
Nature
Retreat Resort.
Yes.
And this is Bannerghatta Jungle.
Yes.
Oh, very
We are on the
good.
back side of the Bannerghatta jungle.
Wow. I always wanted to visit jungle.
Yeah, this area is filled with tigers and
Yeah, I've
elephants.
seen the tiger boats were there.
But you did not see any tiger.
But
You are only one tiger.
while coming back, definitely in the evening, definitely I'll come down
Okay.
and try to see tiger.
Okay.
So we are going to RD's Nature Retreat Resort. Actually, we were hungry. We are already visited there. So after going, we felt hungry. So
And we ate one of the nicest food on the earth.
so we came somewhat 2 kilometers far from our resort.
2.5 kilometers exactly.
Yeah. And now we are going back. See this tractor. Okay, so we have to see. We got the bands. Yeah, see.
Yes.
We got the band. We had total 10 activities. So we have to see what are the 10 activities there. And I saw one go karting also. That
Yeah.
is very awesome. That is nice. I wanted to do that activity, but I'm not sure whether that activity is included in this package or not. This is what Circus Trail Farm and Kitchen.
Citrus.
Citrus. Okay, so pause.
Pass. This is the view behind the Bannerghatta hill.
Yes, very nice.
Yes.
I think this is the part of safari, maybe, right? No?
That side, it's not entire. They cannot cover this much big place. They'll cover to some extent. Little. What?
This side. We have very narrow roads
Two people are walking on it.
and it's full down. We are going down.
Yeah.
Oh, woo! Now we have reached the resort.
Yes.
Pause.
Pass.
We have parked our car. The glass door is open. It's closed. So today we have come to this resort with my friend, colleague Ramesh and myself Amitesh. Hope we'll enjoy. We have to check what all the activities are there. Come on, we are getting late. I think it's lunchtime. We have already missed the breakfast. That's why we had gone for eating something outside. And now we are going inside just to check what all the activities are happening. Actually, we have come with our IBM colleagues. Around 30 to 40 people have come. What is it? for bull riding. Bull riding. See, the bull riding game is going on. What is this? I think swimming pool.
Fish.
Fish. Oh, we have live fish, very small. Okay. So this resort is very beautiful. I think it's very big. Come, we'll go. I'll show you the go-karting. See, the go-karting is going on. See, this is go-karting road. One person is ready.
Beach side.
They have paid or this is free? Huh?
Ask 200, 300 rupees.
Why? It should be included in the package, right? People are enjoying here. Some activities are going. Let me check.
Go to the bowl because I told you to be in a connection. Need to be in connection, okay? This bingo battle is to make a number. Okay. This number is the largest and the highest. Okay, this is the P and I.
What is this? This road is made up of stone, big hill stones.
Our people are only moving.
Huh?
Our ideal people only.